this software, this application. Okay, so let's look after it. So first of all we have to add video, then only you can then we can go for editing. Okay, so to trim anything, first of all you need to upload it first. You need to upload a video, and there is a media option at the top. There you can see there are a number of videos are there. I will choose one among them. I have some visuals and some photographs. I could add them. Suppose I would like to edit these visuals, first visual. So I just click there, and automatically the video will be on the timeline. Okay, so you can select this video. When you select this video, here you can see its color become yellow. It means I have selected this video. So this one, the green one, this one the timeline, and above it there are some features. We can do some task, and this one is the screen where you can preview the things. Okay, so first of all we try to understand how to trim using this software. Trimming means choosing we have to choose portions of video, what is important, which is important, and rest we have to chop it out or delete them. So for the trim, one thing you could do, at the edge of any video you can scroll like this. You can with your hand you can just move left and right, and you can select the portions of video from your mobile phones. Let me make it little bit zoom so that you could easily we are talking about how we can trim video. So there is a red line, and we can move, we can preview the video like this. We can forward and backward by moving this piece of video. Suppose I want to trim it. To trim video, tap on the video at the bottom. नीचे ये वीडियो है, इसको हम क्लिक करेंगे तो सिलेक्ट हो गया, दोबारा क्लिक करेंगे तो अनसिलेक्ट हो गया. सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट एंड अनसिलेक्ट. आफ्टर सिलेक्ट ए वीडियो वी हैव सम ऑप्शंस. पहला ऑप्शन है ट्रिम करने के लिए कैंची का, एक सीजर का ऑप्शन है. उसको हम क्लिक करेंगे तो ये हमारे लिए ट्रिम का डिफरेंट ऑप्शन आ जाएगा. ट्रिम टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ प्ले हेड, हम इसका तो हम इसको देखेंगे कि बहुत सारे ट्रिम के ऑप्शंस है, इसको हम देख सकते हैं. सपोज मैं चाहूँगा पहला वाला ऑप्शन ट्रिम का क्लिक करूँगा तो इट विल ट्रिम द लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द पिक्चर. इससे पीछे मैं नहीं जा सकता, आगे जा सकता हूँ. हाँ, और एक ऑप्शन इसमें भी है स्कर्नर में, जिसमें कि आपको बैक भी कर सकते हो. मैं दोबारा इसको राइट साइड में ट्रिम करने की कोशिश करूँगा. ट्रिम टू द राइट प्ले हेड, तो सेकेंड ऑप्शन अगर क्लिक करूँगा तो ये राइट साइड का ट्रिम कर सकते हैं. ओके, स्प्लिट अगर करना चाहूँगा, बीच से ये दो टुकड़े करना चाहूँगा विजुअल्स को, मतलब कुछ सेकंड पहले आएगा, ये तो एक विजुअल है, उसको दो विजुअल करने के लिए, टुकड़ा करने के लिए, कट करने के लिए अगर थर्ड ऑप्शन को मैं क्लिक करूँगा तो हियर यू कैन सी नाउ वी हैव टू डिफरेंट विजुअल्स, two different piece of visuals. So this is what we could do. We can suppose I want to delete this visuals. I have to select only one part, and just there is a edit option, there is a delete options. Here you can see there is a delete options. Sorry. So here you can see there is a delete option. You can go for delete this thing. Suppose I want to delete. Here you can see we have only one visuals and it's a part of total visuals. Again, let me show you how to trim this. You just select the visuals and press over the scissors and let me one more interesting thing we could do. We can extract audio from visuals. There is another options we have. Let me play this visuals. If it has any sound, we could listen. At right hand corner there is a play option. Here you can preview and play your video. There is no audio, इसमें कोई ऑडियो नहीं है, कोई साउंड नहीं है, तो इसमें कोई आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा है. So what else we could do? Let's go ahead. Next we can add transition. If I want to add any transitions, transition means the thing which help us to move from one visual to another visuals and make it continuous. मतलब हमें एक विजुअल से दूसरे विजुअल हम जब शिफ्ट करते हैं एक डिसकंटिन्यूटी महसूस होता है, तो इसलिए हमें एक ट्रांजिशन की कभी कभी ऐड करने की पड़ती है. तो इस वीडियो में आप देख सकते हो इस जगह पर एक दो विजुअल के भीतर एक ट्रांजिशन आया है, जो ये वाला आपने सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो. मैं और एक विजुअल्स इसमें ऐड करना चाहूँगा. मीडिया जाऊंगा, उसके बाद सपोज एक कीबोर्ड की विजुअल्स ऐड करूंगा. दो कीबोर्ड की विजुअल, देखो इसको जितने बार टैप करोगे उतना एक फ़ोटो मैंने ऐड कर दिया है कीबोर्ड का. तो सिलेक्ट करते वक्त मेरे पास दो तीन कीबोर्ड की विजुअल्स आ गया, तो आई कैन डिलीट वन अमंग देम लाइक दिस. इस तरह मैं डिलीट कर सकता हूँ. ओके, सो हम में कोई भी विजुअल, हमारे पास अब दो तरीके के विजुअल्स हैं. कोई और एक विजुअल हम ऐड करेंगे तो मीडिया में क्लिक करेंगे. डाउनलोड में मेरे पास और कुछ नारियल का एक फ़ोटोग्राफ्स है, मैं इसको ऐड कर दिया. और कुछ इस तरीके विजुअल्स फ़ोटोग्राफ्स हैं, और ये मीडिया का एक मोबाइल फ़ोन का एक एनिमेशन सा विजुअल्स है. सो मेरे पास एक सीरीज ऑफ विजुअल्स हो गया अभी. Let's preview this. To preview the selected visuals, what we could do, हम अगर selected visuals को देखना चाहेंगे तो हम नीचे play के ऑप्शन से उसमें play में जब play करते हैं तो you can see the series of visuals, और नीचे टाइमलाइन जैसे ही जा रहा है उस तरह की विजुअल्स आगे आगे एक के बाद एक प्ले हो रहा है. तो इसमें हम अब तक कोई भी ऑडियो नहीं दिए हैं. आई विल शो यू हाउ टू ऐड ऑडियो. नाउ वी हैव ओनली सीरीज ऑफ विजुअल्स. सपोज आई वांट टू edit some part of this visuals. So like this I have to click over it and it will be there, its color will be changed in the timeline. Now it become yellow. Let me trim some part of these visuals. Suppose I want to split here. Here you can see we have two different segment of visuals. If I want to delete the next part, second part of that visuals, simply I just select it and go for delete. In this way I could do my editing work. So now and this is let's see what is the transition. Suppose I have two different visuals here. One visual is completing, next another visuals photographs is started. So in between there is no transition, it's just simple cut, एक के बाद एक आ जाता है. तो ट्रांजिशन डालने के लिए बीच में आप एक देख सकते हो एक छोटा सा बॉक्स है, इसमें अगर आप क्लिक करोगे you will find there are different kind of transitions. You could have 3D transition, classic transition, font transitions, different type of transitions. So let's apply one among them. Let's apply 3D transition. Okay, here you can see there are several kind of 3D transition. You could apply this and you can preview. Apply and preview this type of transition. You could add with the help of this software. So let's see. So this kind of transition. I will advise you not to go for so much transition. It will be seems like it will not become so interesting. So try to avoid this thing. You can add some classic transition like this. It will be more smoother. Okay, let's here add some different transitions. Transition means the connecting link between two different visuals. So let's select one classic transitions. This is this type of transitions. Okay, let's preview, and in the after third visual you can add another kind of transition. Okay, like this. Okay, this is a transition, and let's see how the what is the outcome. Let's delete this one. Okay, so let's see what is the outcome of our visuals. You just play it and you can see. Okay, so you can add 3D transition, you can add classic transition, you can add font, picture in picture transition. एक पिक्चर के बाद दूसरे पिक्चर हम डाल दे सकते हैं. इस तरह के हम ट्रांजिशन ऐड कर सकते हैं. इसके अलावा हम वॉइस ओवर इसमें दे सकते हैं. व्हाट इज वॉइस ओवर? This is another interesting thing. It means we can add voice under a picture. Here I will show you how to add voice under a picture. What is voice over? It's off camera voice. It is voice over. It means it is a production technique where a voice that is not part of narrative. It means we need to explain something. If picture unable to explain themselves, we can add more information to it. We can add more data to the pictures or visuals. We can add voiceover to that picture. So how we can do this? Let me show you my mobile phone. Okay, here you can see at this there is a voiceover options at the bottom, and here you can see when you click there it will appear this kind of screen. Suppose I want to add voice की, suppose इस पिक्चर के बारे में हम बताएंगे कि ये कोविड-19 की टाइम है. इस पिक्चर में शो हो रहा है कि कुछ लोग काम कर रहे हैं. सो लेट मी ऐड सम वॉइस टू दिस पिक्चर एंड लेट मी नैरेट एवरीथिंग. जो भी पिक्चर्स हमने लिए हैं, जो भी विजुअल्स हम लिए हैं, उसके लिए हम वॉइस ओवर डालेंगे. आप यहाँ देख सकते हो एक ब्लू लाइन ब्लिंक हो रहा है. इट मीन्स एक ब्लू लाइन ब्लिंक हो रही. इट मीन्स इट कुड एबल टू take audio into this interface. So let's start it. So let me narrate. मैं पहले से आपको सोच लेनी चाहिए क्या कुछ हमें narrate करना है. So let's start this. Okay. it gets started. So स्टॉप दोबारा किया क्योंकि मैंने तैयार नहीं था वॉइस देने के लिए. सो आप तैयार हो जाना चाहिए. इस ऑडियो को जो रिकॉर्ड हो गया उसको आप डिलीट कर सकते हो. जस्ट सिलेक्ट इट and delete it. Again try to give your voice over. Okay. It's a time of pandemic and people are working in different platform with precautions, and here you can say this is a coconut, or it's one of the amazing food, and these are some of other things which we could consume. And this is the time not to spend more time in social media on all these platforms. That's all. Thank you. So I have added voiceover under these video. So let's play how it became. So play from the. It's a time of pandemic and people are working in different platform with precautions. And here you can say this is a coconut, or it's one of the amazing food, and these are some of other things which we could consume. And this is the time not to spend more time in social media on all these platforms. Okay, so I think you may have a brief understanding how to use this software. So let me export it. Actually I don't have much more time. This class will continue. Next we will discuss some more topic. We'll try to talk about how to use other tools, for example how to add text, how to add music, how to edit in mobile phone. We'll talk a little bit more about it. So that's all for today. So before leaving this class, let me see how to export this video after editing. Let me show you again. ये एडिटिंग होने के बाद इसको हम शेयर के ऑप्शन से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में वहाँ हम अगर क्लिक करेंगे, दे विल शो अस डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस. हियर यू कैन चूज द क्वालिटी ऑफ विजुअल्स बाय moving it left to right, and we can go for export, and it will take some time, and after that we could have the final output of our visuals. So this is small demonstration how to use this kind of mobile applications. Here you can see I can play this visuals. This is the final output of this after this editing. It's a time of pandemic. Here you can see working in different platform with precautions, and here you can say this is a coconut, or it's one of the amazing food, and these are some of other things which we could consume. And this is the time not to spend more time in social media on all these platforms. So this is the output. Now we can share this to any social media platform, in Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, anywhere we can share this. So in the next class we will explore a little bit more about it. And that's all for today. Thank you to join with us. This kind of things, this kind of discussion will continue in the upcoming classes. We'll talk about different kind of tools and technique of mass communication. And that's all from today from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day. Namaste.